So, good evening, guys. Welcome to Durga Soft online training sessions. And myself, myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 15 plus years of experience as a trainer. See, this batch is actually, there are two batches in this. So, the title of this batch is Basic Java Package. So, in this batch, let me give the complete information about the course details, then we will see remaining things. So what courses will be covered in this? So first we are going to see core Java. So then we are going to discuss about JDBC like advanced Java. Then servlets, it is also related to the advanced Java. So JSP, after that we are going to finish so UI technologies, so like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery, these are things we are going to see. And even we are going to talk about Oracle 19c, and with all these tools we are going to develop one mini project. So this is nothing but the tools which we are going to cover in this total basic Java package course. Okay, the duration of this course is 4 months. So Jan, so Feb, March, April. You can expect the course completion almost at the end of this April, and fees for this particular batch is 12,000, including materials and videos. And very important, timings. So the timings of this batch is not at 9 o'clock. It is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it is a normal track. Normal track in the sense, slowly I'm going to explain the concepts from basic to the next level. Okay. And in these, there are two batches. The people who are interested to attend only core Java, you can select core Java. That is nothing but module 1. Course 1 is nothing but so only core Java. So you can pay and you can register by paying rupees 5,000 for only core Java. And course 2 is nothing but what? This basic Java package. Okay, basic Java package. In this, all these four courses like core Java, advanced Java, UI technologies, and Oracle. These four courses will come. So for this, the fees is nothing but rupees 12,000. So it is up to you, your choice. So if you want to develop the complete full stack, better to go for this basic Java package. If you need only core Java, you can go for this. Okay. So up to 1.5 months or 2 months, only core Java will be there. So parallelly, we are going to discuss this UI technologies as well as Oracle. But once if the completion of core Java over, then only we will discuss about JDBC, servlets, JSP, like that. Okay, this is nothing but our course pattern, course details. So if you are having any queries, please let me know. Then I will show you the syllabus. Any questions? So feel free to ask your queries. So already this batch got started. It is an add-on batch. The batch is started last week. It is an add-on batch.
Sir, what is this add-on batch? Matlab, already the 1 week for the past 1 week, something why already might have been covered.
Yes, those things
It-
I will cover for you people.
Okay, that means
So
again it is not a starting new batch.
no, it is a starting batch only. Last Monday we started a new batch, sir. So just to add few more people into that batch, just we plan another temporary batch. We will combine this batch with that. The timings will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Whatever
Okay.
topics I covered for them, I'm going to take for you people. And I have given some short break for that batch for 3 days.
Okay.
I think
Okay.
you understood my point, right?
Understood. Understood.
Yeah, right. Any other queries regarding the course details?
Hello, sir. What's the
Yes,
duration for the course Java?
ma'am.
What's the duration for the course Java?
Around 45 days will be there, ma'am. 45 days. Since it is a normal track, excluding holidays, you can expect 2 months. By the end of Feb, you will get finished with core Java.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Right. Yeah, let me start this core Java. Actually, this core Java, we are going to plan totally in 5 modules. Okay. So what is the first module here is, so what is the first module that we are going to cover? Part 1. So here we are going to discuss only about fundamentals. Like if I want to develop any Java program, what basic things are required? Introduction. So introduction to Java programming, how you can able to write, and steps to prepare Java application. See, if I want to prepare any Java application, what steps we need to follow, and what are the softwares required so to run Java application. So if I want to develop a simple Java program also, some basic softwares and some IDEs also required, right? Like how to download and how to install those IDEs. So how to develop a program on that, how to create a project, how you can execute the basic steps and all we are going to cover here. After that, so we will talk about the keywords and identifiers. So at any programming language, whether it may be C or Java or anything, so keywords and identifiers is the common thing. Like some words are there in Java or any other language as a fixed meaning. So those are called as keywords, and we will be having some identifiers also. And identifiers means the words which we are defining, and how to write comments, and some naming conventions which is very very important, and data types, and typecasting, how you can cast, I mean how you can convert so one type to another type. Then we have literals. Some people may use the word called constants. Then operators. After that, input and output statements. Next, and after that, selection statements. Next, iterative statements. So next we have transfer statements. So then we have nested loops. Nested loops in the sense something like inner loops. So after this, we are going to see so pattern programming, like how to prepare the patterns. So in these fundamentals also, we are going to conduct some kind of quizzes, like on each and every topic. So we will be having a quiz, so you can participate, and it is a interactive based quiz. Like questions will be displayed on my screen, and you have to select answers from your mobile or something like that. And the leaderboard position will be there, negative marking will be there. So who is going to come first? It is a kind of challenging and more tricky questions will be there in this quiz for every topic. And even coding based questions also will be there. Like some programs I'm going to solve, and some programs I will give as assignment for you to practice. And I will use some hacker rank link, so with almost 100 plus programs, just for practice purpose you can practice these things. So this is nothing but a part 1 fundamentals we have. So we will spend maximum time on this. In this time period, I'm not going to take any extra sessions, because so learning fundamentals is very very important for this Java, right? That's why maximum time we will spend on these fundamentals. Once if we are clear with fundamentals, remaining things will become very easy. This is nothing but the first part in our module 1. Any queries? Any queries?
So whatever you will type the program, that the program will get us Prakash, or how it is
No,
that
no. What is your question? I'm not getting you properly, sir. Can you please repeat?
no, my question is that let's say you are typing the program as part of the each of the topic, right?
Yes.
So that program, how you will provide means you will share that program to us, or
Yeah. We are going to share a running notes. You can see here. It is a previous batch running notes. Like
oh,
every
okay,
program I'm going to type and I will copy paste the outputs also and I will
okay,
share.
okay,
See here.
okay,
Everything I'm going to type and I will execute. Okay.
okay. Yeah, got it. Yeah, thank you.
Sir, one more thing, like
Mm.
for the Java practice programs, like how these program softwares you will be providing to us?
Yeah. So software is not required, sir. Just once if you install, see these
Uh,
coding based questions, it is a something like problem statement only I'm going to give. You have to type in your mission and you need to send answers to me. So whereas coming to the quiz, it is online based quiz. Like I'm going to share my, I mean, I'm going to display the questions on my screen, and you have to attempt that one. Okay. Then last one, hacker rank link. It is a tool, sir. It is a platform, online platform. I will show you how it is going to work. Once if the topics got completed, I will show you how you can execute the programs. Okay.
okay.
If you want 1 second, I will show you one thing. Yeah, you can see it is a demo link actually. It may not work. 1 second. Yeah, you can see it's a kind of a platform, sir. I'm going to give this link for you people. You have to practice in this. So almost more programs will be there here. You can see like this. Just you need to select any one program and you have to click on solve. You can see, so question will be there as well as constraints and some sample test cases also I'm going to give. You have to type the program and you need to run the code to check whether it is working or not. If it is working, just you need to click on submit button. See, in this, you can expect basic level programs to advanced level programs. So maximum basic level programs will be there, and some moderate programs also will be there. Top level programs around 100, sorry, 10 or 15 like that, it will be there. And very important, sir, the people who are there in final year or pre-final year, for that, this course is going to be helpful. I mean, this coding practice. So these things are going to be helpful. Okay, sir? Clear? Sir, clear everyone? Any other questions in these fundamentals?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, are you provided us a video, recorded video?
Yes. Once if the session got completed, we are going to share the video on the same day night itself. Okay.
Okay.
And these videos will be accessible for you only for 6 months. That's why whenever the session completed, maximum try to revise the video as early as possible. Okay. It will be in your drive for 6 months. Once if time period completed, automatically it is going to be deleted. Sir, any other questions on fundamentals? If you are clear, then we will move to the next one. What about arrays strings? Yeah. Arshit, please wait. Just I discussed only part 1 of our Java. Just only syllabus. And one more thing, let me show you that quiz platform also, so that you can get some clarity. So it is a previous batch video. Just we are going to have a quiz like this. Yeah, like this. A quiz will be there. You can see. So the questions are going to be displayed on my screen. Student has to select the answer, and finally we are going to decide who is going to come first next, like that. So this platform I will introduce how to execute and all. So it will be there only for fundamentals. So for remaining parts, we are going to see different patterns. This is part 1, sir. Okay. Now coming to this Java part 2. In this part 2, main important topic like object oriented programming, that is nothing but object oriented programming we are going to see. See, in these we have around 50 subtopics are there. 50 subtopics are there. So I don't want to type each and every topic name, like method overloading, method overriding, constructors, so factory methods, okay, instance factory methods, static factory methods, so static block, instance block, like a number of things will be there in this. Okay, I don't want to type each and everything. And in these output based questions also we are going to discuss. Like once if the session got completed, I'm going to show some 5 or 6 questions. You need to judge the answer. Okay, and after this, very very important here, interview questions are very very important, because majority of the companies are going to ask the questions only based on these oops. So that's why I will focus mainly on oops concepts. So the second priority after learning fundamentals, you need to get more priority on these oops concepts. Then part 3, once if it is oops completed, then we are going to see so containers in Java, like how you can able to hold the data. So for that we have some special utilities, like we have arrays are there, and strings are there, and collections are there. So what is the purpose of these strings? These are containers, like array can contain some data, so strings can contain some data, and the collections also a group of objects. Like these are the containers, and we are not required to think anything about this. So this is the most easiest part in the Java, but lengthy topics will be there, but all are predefined. We are not required to do anything. So for arrays, predefined support is there. For strings, we have 4 classes are there, like string, string buffer, string builder, string buffer. Then collections, we have array list, linked list, so list, set, map, dictionary, like that we have a number of things are there. So this is nothing but part 3. So this is nothing but part 1. The topic is we are going to talk about regular expressions, like so what is mean by regular expression, how you can able to develop regular expression for validations, like that. Next, wrapper classes, of course it is outdated, but it is very very important. Okay, these are deprecated, but there is one concept called auto boxing, auto unboxing. This is also very very important. And sorry, I forgot to mention, so for containers, so I'm going to give some 10 10 tests. 10 tests I'm going to give. So every test contain, okay, every test contain so 50 questions. 50 questions, so with negative marking, just for practice. You need to practice. At the end, I will show you how it is going to work. And I'm not going to take this in live class. I will share the link in the WhatsApp group. So I will give some time. On that time you need to start and you need to end the exam. And on arrays, 2 exams will be there. On strings, so 2 exams will be there. Rest of the exams will be on collections. So it is a kind of a different platform I'm going to introduce. And if you are thorough with this, so I can give guarantee that you can attend any kind of interview with a confident, because everything is a predefined and easiness will be there. So I forgot to mention there. And regular expression, wrapper classes. Next, exception handling, exception handling. Next, multi-threading. Okay, so next and after that, very very important, like lambda expression. These are new features. So functional interface, then stream API. So these things I'm going to cover. These are Java new features. And the last part, so which is nothing but storage areas. Storage areas, like sir, I developed one application, it is working fine by using all these concepts I developed, but I want to run this. I want to install in client machine and I want to run this. When client is executing the program, you must preserve the data, right? For that we have two things are there. One is a file handling. Second one is database handling. For database, I will use both MySQL and Oracle. Both I am going to explain. So okay, this is nothing but so Java syllabus what we have total. I divided it into 5 parts. So in these 5 parts, exams will be there for fundamentals. So part 2 and part 3. For these topics, I am going to give exams. Online exams will be there, and the coding questions will be there only for part 1. Okay, and output based questions will be there for this. And for this containers advanced Java, based on this we are going to develop a small, okay, a small console based mini project. A small console based mini project we will develop, like what are the concepts that we are understanding, that we are learning in this core Java. With the help of those concepts, we will develop one project with a live, and some what you can say, some ideas I will give, you can develop by your own. If you are having any queries also, we will have a interaction and we will do that. Okay, so this is nothing but the syllabus what we have for core Java. Any queries? Yes, please confirm guys. Any queries?
No, sir.
Sir, any queries? Please confirm.
Sir,
No
one
response.
query is there.
Hmm.
I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, you are audible. Please.
Do we have any fast track, sir?
No sir, no sir, we don't have any fast track.
Okay.
We don't have any fast track. Maybe you can expect in the month of February fast track batch, that too weekend.
Okay. Thank you.
So hi Prakash sir. So
Yeah, hi.
again, means each of the topic you have written in the board, right? So each of the topic you have given a programmatic example, right?
Yes sir, exactly.
Okay, so that program you will copy paste on the notepad
No,
and
no,
that will
no,
be
no, no, no. I'm going to type each and every program with my own hands and I will execute that program, and then I will copy paste into your running notes and I will share that.
okay. Okay, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah. And I too expect the same thing from you people. Don't copy paste my programs into your system and execute, because definitely it will execute. You have to try by your own. At least 3 times you can try. Fourth time you can see and you can type, but don't copy paste. At this stage it will be very easy, but once if you go to the next level it will be very difficult. That's why while learning, please learn from the scratch. That is my
Yeah,
sincere request for everyone.
sure.
Sir, one more thing. For this C, basic C is good enough, sir,
Sir,
to work for Java.
as per almost 5 or 6 years back, if you want to learn any programming language, so compulsory you must have an idea about some programming languages, then it will be good. But nowadays that is not at all a matter, sir. The person who don't know anything about the programming language also they can learn. So the only thing is time taking up to certain level. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, just you need to put some extra concentration. That's all. So once if you came to the streamline, everything will be good. Any other queries?
Sir, after this course, we have to do Spring Boot to
Yes, sir,
reach.
definitely, sir. You need to go for frameworks if you want to be expert. And one more thing, just a very good question you asked. So this course is suitable for the students who don't know anything about Java. Okay, and the students who wants to learn full stack. See, nowadays corporate training institutes and everywhere full stack Java is there. The people are always looking for fast track. So within 3 months I want to finish full stack. It is highly impossible, sir. So with practical things I am telling, so full stack Java if you want to learn minimum, so 8 to 9 months you need to spend. Okay, So already if you have a learned Java or some technologies like Oracle, these things, then it will be very easy for maybe 6 months or 5 months, it is okay. But without any knowledge, learning full stack is very difficult. That's why first you should have a knowledge on basic things like Java, one database connectivity, either it may be MySQL or Oracle or MongoDB or anything. So one UI technology tool, one framework, okay, one programming language. With all these stuff, if you can able to think how projects are working in the background, I'm not asking about the implementation, how it is working realistically. If you have that idea, then learning framework will become very easy. Then you can map all the things and you can develop the projects easily. So there, while learning the frameworks, if any faculty is telling here auto boxing is happening, if you don't know about auto boxing, from that point next 1 hour class you won't understand. So that's why fundas are very very important. So the people who don't know anything about Java or any other database, so for them it will be useful. And the people who are in final year or pre-final year or freshers with 0 or 1 year experience, for them it will be very good, sir. And the people who are changing their domain, or the people who wants to shift from non-IT sector to IT sector, so you people have to learn frameworks also, because for freshers company people are going to give some training period on the frameworks how to utilize. So but for experienced candidates, these frameworks they want to give guidance. So compulsory, the people who are putting some experience, they need to learn frameworks also in addition to this. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear, everyone? Right. So next, just I will start one topic. Later, of course, around 3 to 4 demos will be there. There we will discuss about the syllabus of these UI technologies. Okay, UI technologies. Okay, and Oracle 19c syllabus also I will show you. So then advanced Java, these syllabus I will explain in the next coming sessions, because complete syllabus I'm not going to take here. So now I'm going to start one small topic, not theory topic. I will start one practical topic, so that you can able to understand and you will feel that how Java will be. Okay, is it possible for us to understand or not? Like that, you can think. Okay. So the first topic, only intro part I am going to explain. The topic is nothing but data types. So with your knowledge, anyone tell me what is mean by data type? Just at least by seeing the name, okay, or by seeing the words, and you can frame and you can imagine something like that, right? So tell me what is mean by data type. At least you can guess, right? Okay, fine. Sir, can I use the word call? So data type represents the type of the data that we are using in our Java program. Okay. Sir, what type of data you are using in your program is decided by data type. Sir, is the definition is okay? Everyone, please confirm. Is the definition is okay?
Yes.
Right. Sir, can you please give some examples? Definitely. Sir, here I am going to give, I want to represent weight of a person. Sir, weight is almost 82 kgs, sir. I am taking like weight is equal to 82. Sir, 82 is what type of data? Integer. Have you observed? I used one special word called int. Int means what here? Integer. Int means what here? Integer. So it is one data type. It is one data type. Next, percentage is equal to some 75.56. Sir, what type of data it is? Float means it is also number, but points representation will be there, like petrol price, okay, height of a person. These are things we will measure by using points, right? Hence it is called as what? Percentage. Similarly, so I want to take one person name as a Kalyan. Have you observed? I use double quotes. It is nothing but name, sir. Whose name? A person name. It is considered as a string. So these are nothing but what? Data types. So name is holding what type of data? A sequence of characters. Hence I used the word called string. Sir, 75.56. It is a floating point value. So point representation. That's why for that there is one separate name is there called float. Sir, 82. It is a number, numeric value. Hence it is called as integer. Like we have. Clear, guys? Sir, any questions from this? Clear, everyone? Please respond. Please be active. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, in the above example, sir, int, float, string are data types. What type of data we are using is nothing but data types. Now I will give one small a mini project kind of thing, like one case study. So one case study. So we will analyze. What is that is, I am taking employee management system, like that one EMS software I want to develop. Sir, while developing this, I come across various types, sir. Okay, like sir, I noticed that employee ID we are using. I noticed that employee name will be there. Okay. Right. So employee name will be there. So next and after that, every employee associated with some email ID. So every employee associated with some salary. So every employee is having gender like male or female, something like that. So married or not, something like that. Next mobile number. Next and after that, for communication purpose, address will be there. Okay, and also designation, like what is the role of that particular employee in the company. Like you can consider n number of things. Sir, employee ID is what type of data? Sir, I will use numbers like employee ID 1 2 3 like that. Name is what type of data? Sir, just now I have given example, right? String means what? A group of characters. Sir, what about email ID? It is also string, sir. What about the salary? It is something like decimal value. Means what? Sir, points representation will be there. Indirectly, it is called as float. What about the gender? Sir, it is a boolean, which can take only two values, either yes or no. These type of things will be there. So, sorry. It is nothing but what? Character, either M or F. What about married? Yes or no? What about mobile number? Don't tell it is integer, it is a string, because so if you store mobile numbers, you are not going to do addition, right? You will use only for search operation. Yes, happily we can take, there is no problem at all. Okay, sir, address is what type? It is also string type. Sir, designation is what type? It is also string type. One small note I am going to cover. What is that note is? In Java, not only in Java, in all programming languages, the most commonly used data type is string, sir. Very important. If you learn string very well in Java, happily you can sustain in the industry, sir, because maximum concepts will be there based on string only. Sir, up to this whatever I covered, do you have any queries? Please confirm.
Sir, in Boolean, it should be true or false, no?
Sir, come again.
Sir, in Boolean, we have values of true and false, no?
Yes, yes. Just
In
for your
array.
understanding, I have given like this. So later we will change. Okay. Any other queries, guys? Right.
Sir, why we
One,
are using character for gender?
madam, male or female, M or F. Some people may use called male. Okay. So or female, like that you will type. Comparison will take some time. If I use M and then F, comparison is very easy, right? Have you observed, madam? It is how many characters? 4 characters. This one is how many characters? 6. But these two are one character. Space wise. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Clear, guys? Sir, any queries? That's all.
No,
This
sir.
is nothing. That's all. This is nothing but today's demo. So tomorrow also demo will be there. Okay, just today I explained only the syllabus part and just introduction to data type. Tomorrow we will see that UI technologies syllabus and then continuation of these data types. Okay, like that 4 demos will be there. After that regular classes will be there. Again, before closing the session, I am telling what is the timings of this session. The timings is not 9 o'clock. Remember, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. sessions will be there. Got it, guys? Please confirm.
From
Yeah.
tomorrow, no, sir.
No. Only for regular classes. Demos will be there as usual.
Okay.
So demos are from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. only. So today first class, right? That's why I am winding up 45 minutes. Okay.
So regular class will be happen Monday to Friday, is it?
Yes, Monday to Friday. This
So-
week classes will be from 9 to 10, sir. From Monday onwards, your classes will be from 8 to 9. Okay.
Okay, that is a regular class, sir.
Yes, sir. Regular class.
Okay, so not before that. You're not starting before that, huh?
No.
Okay. So the classes will start from Monday onwards. Otherwise, it is only a demo which we are going to attend from 9 to 10.
Yes. In the demos, whatever I am telling, I won't repeat in the regular class. So you can treat it as a normal. Already we started. Okay.
Okay.
And if you are having any queries, we will spend some time on doubts clarification session. I mean, 8 to 9 session will be there, right? 9 to 9:20 or 9:15 like that. If any student is having any problem or any concept, then we will spend some time. But whole class I am not going to repeat. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, fine, guys. See you in the tomorrow session. Same link, same timings. See you at tomorrow, 9 o'clock. Please join 5 minutes before, guys. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Good night.
Bye, sir.
Bye. So, right in the last session, that is yesterday, we started a new add-on batch. Okay. The title of the course is Basic Java Package. The courses you are going to get in this basic Java package is around 4 courses you are going to get, like core Java, then advanced Java, then UI technologies, Oracle 19C. These 4 courses you will get along with one mini project in basic Java package. The duration of the course is 4 months, January, February, March, April. Maximum by the end of April, we will complete this batch. So fees for this batch is 12,000. Actual timings of this session is not from 9 o'clock, sir. It is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And it is a normal track. Means I'm going to explain each and every concept in this 1 hour duration. So with a clear, neat explanation by taking some time. So in this, there are two courses. You can select only core Java if you need. Fees for that is 5,000. So the people who wants to complete this complete mini project, the complete front end to back end technologies, if you want to learn except frameworks, you can go with basic Java package, which includes 4 courses. The fees for this is nothing but 12,000. Okay. And one more very important conclusion. So yesterday I forgot to mention. So our batch is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Maximum try to be leisure 1 hour before, 1 hour after. That means, so sometimes I may plan this UI technologies from 7 to 8. Okay. And sometimes I may plan Oracle 19C from 7 to 8. Maximum chances are there. That's why, so parallelly, when core Java completed, so before starting this advanced Java, in the middle of core Java or in the ending of core Java, I will announce another batch for UI technology. I mean, batch. So you people are going to join in that. Please maintain this kind of thing, because this is very important. At a stretch we are not going to see. So maximum 2 timing slots will be there. Core Java, advanced Java is going to be finished from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. only. So if possible, I will take this UI and Oracle 19C from 7 to 8. So meanwhile gap also will be there. There won't be any continuation. So in such cases, I will take 45 minutes for UI. Okay, then 15 to 20 minutes break. After that, our core Java class is going to be started. Like that plan will be there. Anyway, all these things we will discuss. So in the middle of core Java, till completion of the fundamentals, there won't be any disturbance, there won't be any parallel batches. Okay, so in the demo I need to give this information, that's why. And coming to yesterday, I explained core Java syllabus, which contains almost 5 parts. In the first part, we are going to see fundamentals with some quizzes and coding programs and hacker ranking. In the second part, object oriented programming, where around 50 to 60 subtopics we are going to cover, along with output based programming questions and also interview questions. And containers like arrays, strings, collection framework, generics, everything will come here. So in this around we are going to plan 10 tests. So every test contains 50 multiple choice questions with a negative marking, just to test your knowledge, that's all. So if you are getting top marks or if you are getting 0 marks, we won't do anything. Just it is a kind of revision for you people. So whether you are very good at stack and queue, for stack and queue we will have 50 MCQs. One test will be there for that. So just you need to read the code and you need to select the proper answer. Time will be there, time duration limit will be there, and even we are going to have a kind of negative marking, so that you will select the correct answer. So you will put your mind, that's why. Okay. And part 4, advanced topics, where regular expressions, web wrapper classes, exception handling, multi-threading, and some Java new features like lambda expressions, functional interface, stream API, all are predefined things, sir. Next, in part 5, storage areas will be there, like file handling, database handling. So by concluding this, we will see console based mini project also. So this is nothing but details about the course what we are going to cover. So if you are having any queries up to this, please let me know. No queries, right? Sir, clear, everyone?
Sir, in the core Java till which part will you teach?
Very good question. Actually, this is wrong question, sir. There won't be a separate syllabus for different versions. The syllabus is common, sir. In versions, we are going to get some new features. Like we have 23 to 24 versions are there. In every version, some new concepts will be added. So beyond that, there won't be any change. But those small minute changes we will ignore, because it is not a research area, right? That's why small things we are not going to focus. So the main stable versions are there, like Java 8, Java 11, Java 17. So in that, what are the concepts are there that I'm going to cover in this part only. Okay, so you can consider it as Java 8, Java 11, Java 17. This is my main focus. Got it, sir?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Any other queries regarding this course?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Part 4 and Part 5 will be included in core Java.
Yes, it is in core Java. The syllabus, whatever I explained till now, is core Java only. Okay.
And in advanced Java, that UI technologies, Oracle 19C and
Yeah,
JDBC.
yes, that will be there. Just I have given only first part is, I mean, core Java syllabus. That's all as of now. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
And even yesterday we started data types, but before moving to these data types, so still there are 3 more courses are there, right? Like UI technologies, Oracle 19C, and advanced Java. So collections and generics. Arshit Reddy, you can see yesterday you attended, right? Here in part 3, clearly I mentioned collections. In these collections only, it will come. Okay, everything will be there in these collections only. Got it? Right. So, yeah, good. So now let me give the syllabus Oracle 19C. So let me give the syllabus of Oracle 19C. So how this 19C came, what is mean by C? Okay, so what are the differentiations are there? So we will see in regular classes. So let me give the syllabus here. The syllabus is not having any modules, sir. So because it is a database and very easy, but more queries will be there that we need to focus. So here first we are going to see fundamentals. In every course, fundamentals are very important, right? So fundamentals of database, like what is mean by database, why we are going for this database. So if you don't have any database, where we can preserve the data. So what advantages are, so our overall system, what benefits are there, everything we are going to see. Okay, in this 12K is expensive. Ayyo. You can buy with other institutes, sir, with clarity. Right. So it is more, sir. So I think once if the course is finished, you will get that feeling that will be like that. We have to sentend, sir, not the fees or something like that. We have 5 demos, will be 4 demos will be there, right? Later you can take the decision. If it's worthy, you can. Okay. So fees related things, this is fixed. It is an offer fees. Then, so we are going to see SQL, and there are some clients there, tools like structure query language. So what are the client tools we have? We have SQL plus is there, SQL developer is there. Okay, so SQL developer is there. Like we have different kinds of things are there. And after that, we are going to see the data types, like programming language in database also. While storing the data, compulsory you have to give the type of the data. So these SQL commands are divided into different types, like data definition language commands. Then so data manipulation language commands. Only at top level I'm giving. Immediately with examples with assignments we will discuss. And data query language, DEQ commands there. Then DCL commands, data control language commands are there. All these things we will discuss. Okay. So then next and after that we are going to talk about operators to perform some basic operations. So like other programming languages, here also operators will be there, but there won't be input out because so we will use other tools, right, to push the data into database and to get the data from database. So we will use some interfaces. So we won't directly involve it. But if you want to, we can use the SQL plus tool there. We will see that. So then we are going to see some kind of constraints also, sir. Okay, so we have constraints are like integrity constraints. So we have primary key, so foreign key, default constraint. Okay, so like how you can use these constraints. So, for example, email ID. So email ID cannot be duplicated, right? Mobile number cannot be duplicated. So in such case, we give special key. So when you are trying to push it, immediately it is going to error. Let me have some additions. Suppose I'm not marks of error. By default, it will take 0. So how is it to take in the sim? You need to give that. That we are going to discuss next. After that, joins. I'm able to combine the table. Like my data is available in 2 different tables. So how can I able to find data? Yes, you can. Because everything want to be available in a single table. So compulsory the data will be available in different tables. So for that, have just example. So the total India. So you will add the number to integrate with any database. For example, I want to verify banks. So if a person other than fingerprint is there, so you can find all the bank details. So your Aadhaar database is connecting to bank database. So like that, everywhere we can. That means I am trying to say come the tables. Further, we have joined there. Okay, next and after that, we have views are there, something like temporary tables and indexes to make efficient search operation. So we have indexes are there. Okay, and we have some clusters are there. So anyway, all these things I don't know. So everything I will explain. Then sequences, like how to create sequences. So we're going to cover one mini project also. In the compulsory, I'm going to use sequences. So it's not after that subqueries. Like if you are taking a query within another query, then it is called as a subquery. So how you can able to use subqueries? Okay, so how you can interact with the subqueries, like how to use the subqueries, what are the relations are there, everything we are going to see. Okay, next partitions. So partitions means what? So how you can able to use these partitions? What are the different types of partitions are there? Then SQL functions. PLSQL is important. How to do the programming with SQL? What kind of programming you can do? Okay. So then subprograms. Subprograms means what? So in that we are going to discuss about stored procedures. Stored procedures means what? Okay. Control statements like if condition, loops. So control statements we are going to discuss here. And the cursor. What is in the cursor? How you can use that cursor? Even exception handling is getting support in Arc. So how to deal with that? Then records, how you can deal with the records. Then functions, how to create your own functions. So even in this also we have some basic collections are there. Then extend after that triggers. Okay, so at last yes. So these are nothing but the topics which we are going to cover on this Oracle 19C. Of course, as of now, I didn't divide it into parts. Okay, I didn't divide it into I mean modules. Then we will see on the flow. This is nothing but Oracle 19C syllabus what we have. If you are having this on this syllabus, please let me know. Clear?
Sir, yeah, I have core Java taken. So all the syllabus in the core Java which you have taken in the other batch will be covered.
No, not getting your question.
Like you have a core Java fast track, right? Some days back.
Yes.
So the same thing is covered here because I missed that one in core Java now. So the same syllabus will be covered here.
Yes, same syllabus only.
Okay. So in case first we'll take the core Java. In case if we need, can we add this Oracle after taking core Java?
That depends, ma'am. Suppose if time if it's strength good enough, they won't just directly we will start. So if strength is less, then only we will plan another add-on batch for this.
No, not add-on. See,
No,
till
I'm I understood. So you are asking first you will register for core Java, later you will join for Oracle 19C. That is your question. So actually here it is 4 courses are there. So we are going to get only courses at the very beginning. So the people who registered for core Java, smoothly the class will be there for 8 9 for around 40 days. Once if it is completed, this batch is completed, then the people who register for all the course continues.
Okay.
Maybe only for one course, another batch we will merge into this. That is nothing but UI technologies.
Okay.
Understood, man. For this 19C and advanced Java, there won't be any new batch. It is continuation from the basic.
No, that's what. Like after core Java, we can continue by paying the fees if we need.
No, that is not possible. That's what I'm telling.
Yeah.
That will be there only for UI.
Right. Okay. Oh, okay, fine.
Sir, any questions? Can I continue?
Sir, batch time will be 8 to 9 p.m. for the 4 months.
Yes, for rest of the 4 months, 8 to 9 p.m. is a fixed. So that's why I told at the very beginning. So you can please make a buddy from 7 so for 30 days. So this UI technology, right? I'm going to plan the UI technologies from 7 to 8. That will be giving the date also in the month of February.
Okay.
So once if the core Java 50 was completed, then I will add a new batch for technology from 7 to 8. That you people are going to vote for UI. Remaining in this duration is fixed. And it is only on weekdays. It is only on weekdays. Maximum there won't be any weekend sessions. But if any topic dance, some more exercises, some easiness and some functions. So if I to if I want to demonstrate, so then I will plan. And even sometimes I'm going to take doubts clarifying sessions on weekends. Okay, like extra special activities will be there. Sir, clear?
Yes.
Excuse me, I'm having more questions. So here the topics are kind like JDBC subflex. So if we look at prime time, the projects are not using JDBC, JSPens much. It's using
That's sir, correct.
So, so if we see, so the projects are using the Spring Boot with microservices and with full Java. So, do you only touch this box from external or are going to do it in the explanation on these topics?
Right. Sir, actually this question is actually it is a basic Java package, sir. Because see, if I am explaining directly framework, any framework, so the students, some people can understand those who are having some knowledge in the programming, Other people they can't. That's why. So you know very well these are basics only. So to develop a small project, what basic things are required? Just we are once if you have idea about all things, then you can go for next level. So directly we can't go for it, right? I'm keeping in the mind and we will announce this batch. So I told yesterday itself after learning this, next step is nothing but you have to go frameworks. Then only it is called as full stack. That's why we kept the batch called basic Java page. In that frameworks we are not going to touch. Got it, sir?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, right. So maybe we can expect in the month of April or no, not April, May or like going to full stack Java. So there some separate framework separately will be there. The less is
Yeah. Right. So obviously, if I look at only the code part, so I can pay for the code.
yes, only core Java.
So normally the course will be complete in how many months?
Sir, one other exactly 45 class.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So that also was the last question. So it also include Java 8 to 11,
Yes, yes, sir.
like Lambda.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Yes. Right.
And how
Right.
about the notepad?
Ma'am?
Notepad, like the notes, how will it?
Ma'am, I'm going to share a running notes, ma'am. Actually, 1 second, I will show you. See, I'm going to give drive access for everyone. You can see
Okay.
this is nothing but our drive access. Already this batch got started. This is the add-on batch. So you can see just I'm going to give running notes and related materials, everything here itself. Okay, just you can download and you can practice. Every day I'm going
Okay.
to update this.
So sir,
And
this batch is started today, right?
yes, sir. This is add-on batch. So I'm trying to say already 1 week before this new batch 8 p.m. got started, and only some around less strength is in that batch. So that's why just to pick up that batch, we have planned another add-on batch. This add-on batch. This week completely 9 to 10 class will be there. From Monday onwards, it will be 8. I'm going to merge with that. The topics whatever I covered for that batch, I'm going to finish here. It just is a kind of push-up, sir. That's all. Because 4 months course, right? That's just a kind of management. Clear, sir? Right.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what about this Oracle 19? So what about the syllabus for UI technologies and advanced Java? We will see that syllabus in the tomorrow and day after tomorrow demo sessions. So that's all about syllabus. And coming to core Java, I already started yesterday one topic. Again, I'm not going to repeat this topic. I told already. So please concentrate. I will revise for 5 minutes and I will continue. So yesterday we started one programmatic concept which is very very important called data types. So what is mean by data type? Data type represents the type of the data that we are using in our program. So what kind of data you are using in the program is always called a data type. Examples I have given. Like if you take weight is equal to 82. So 82 is what type of data? Integer. 75.56 is percentage of the student. What type of data it is? Floating point. So I have taken Kalyan. So it is nothing but in what type of data it is? String. Like that. So here in float string are nothing but what? Data types. Data type represents what type of data that we are using in our program. And even yesterday we have seen one case study also. Like what is that case study? Employee management system like EMS. So we analyzed so many data types like employee ID, what type of data is always a number. Name, what type of data it is? String, because group of characters, right? Email ID, so string. Salary, decimal value, something like a points. It is called as what? Float. Gender, it is a character, male or female. So made type, yes or no. Mobile number, some people may feel it is integer, but please make sure we do any arithmetic operation with mobile number. It is a string type of data only. Address type of data, designation type of data. Like if you give analysis, so we are going to decide in advance what type of data we are going to store. Okay. So first note here is note number one. In Java, so we have both primitives. We have both the primitives and objects. Remember, there are two terms are there. What is the first term? Primitive. So what is mean by second one? Object. We have both the primitives are there, objects are there. Sir, what is mean by primitive? What is mean by object? Let me have a simple explanation on this. For example, listen carefully. See, I have, yeah, for your easy understanding purpose, I am taking, sir. See, consider there is one small chocolate is there with me. Sir, raw chocolate. Raw chocolate in the sense it is not covered with anything, just a chocolate is there. So happily we can take this and we can eat. Sir, same chocolate is there with me. Okay, same chocolate is there, another copy is there, but that chocolate is beautifully wrapped with cover, sir. So wrapped with cover. Now, sir, this is nothing but in my terminology we can call it as primitive. Sir, this one we can call it as object. Sir, what is the difference? Primitive means you can take and you can eat. Object means you open this wrapper, you can eat. Primitives you can't send across the network. Sir, I want to transfer this chocolate for 1 kilometer. Is it possible? No. Sir, I want to transfer this particular object for 1 kilometer happily. So that is nothing but the main difference. So objects have the capability to move across the network. We can store that in any database. We can retrieve. Its compatibility will be there like that. Sir, what about primitive? It won't provide that much feature. At a very basic level, just what is meant by primitive. So what is meant by object? I hope you have clarity. In Java, we have both. But highest priority should be given for what? Objects only. Highest priority will be given for objects only. Don't worry, we will see all these things. In Java, how many types of data types are there? Primitives are there, objects are there. Some people are going to write primitives and non-primitives. Sir, non-primitives is nothing but what? Objects only. Sir, is the first note. Is it clear? Sir,
Yes,
clear
sir.
with this note? Please
Yeah, yeah.
confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Please have a interaction, sir. So second point. Right.
So,
What is the
sir,
second point?
sir,
Mm.
throughout the sessions, I mean, going forward, so we can unmute and we can ask the questions to you, right? Because
Yes, yes. You can.
because I have attended the usually from the 3 months classes, so there I only can type, I can't speak. So
No,
that's
no,
what
no,
I
sir.
ask.
You can
Okay.
unmute at any point of time. So I won't
Thank you, sir.
I won't hesitate. You can unmute at any point of time. You can interrupt me. You can ask queries.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, right. So second note here is very, very important, sir. Sir, you told in Java we have primitives are there, objects are there. Today I developed one application by using primitive. Sir, my client demanded object. Then is it required to write that entire code by changing the primitive to object? No, not required. Why? Because since these are two different activities, at any point of time in Java, we can convert. Okay, we can convert. So primitives into objects, primitives into objects, and objects into primitives, vice versa. Both are possible, sir. Sir, if you are converting primitives into objects, there is one technical name is there called as auto boxing. It is called A. So you can also convert sometimes objects into primitives automatically. So this concept is called as, sir, auto unboxing. AUP. Like that, there is one concept is there in the wrapper classes. I'm going to discuss about this. We can convert, depends on the scenario. We can convert. So why? Because, sir, I am going to purchase a new container. I am going to purchase a new container. In this container, like boxes will be there like this. So like this, boxes will be there. Now my question is, sir, I want to store, okay, I want to store this primitive into this particular object. No, it is not possible. Sir, I want to store this object. Yes, it is possible. Sir, if it is not possible, what we can do? Sir, no problem. You can convert this primitive into object form and you can store. Sir, do you know this process is called as auto boxing? We have this facility because of this small concept, so we are achieving big advantage. So are you clear with the second note? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Last note, I think you have to answer this. Tell me, assume that this is nothing but the overall application which I am going to develop. Tell me in this, which data you are seeing most frequently or most commonly?
String.
String. So that is a third note. What is a third note is the most common. Okay, the most commonly used data in Java, in Java programming is nothing but what? String. Sir, please try to remember this line. Till end, I will stick on to this line because without string, only one Java class is also not possible. In every Java class, without using the word called a string, I'm not going to conclude the class. That much important and that much easy also. So we will see all those things. So these are nothing but three important notes related to data types. If you are clear with this, then I will go for the next level. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So first thing, later in the object oriented programming, we will talk about objects, but now I'm talking about primitives. So primitives are what is another name? Fundamental data types. So let me talk about primitives or fundamental data types. Sir, these are basic data types. These are basic data types in Java. So how many primitives are there, sir? There are four types are there. First one, integers. Sir, all the numbers in the number theory from minus infinite to plus infinite. All the numbers from minus infinite to plus infinite will comes under this integer category. Sir, what about second one, real values? Real value in the sense, so the data which is in the form of x by y is called as real values. Sir, means what? For example, consider I have a number 5 and I have a number 2. Sir, these two are what type of data? Integers. Okay, but whenever you are taking 5 by 2, 5 is integer, 2 is integer. They put the result 2.5. So this 2.5 is what type of data, sir? It is a real values. So the data which is in the form of x by y, where x and y is, this type of data is called as what? Real values. So what about the third category? So characters. What is mean by characters? So this is something like ASCII code or it is available even in Unicode. Later we talk about that. And the fourth one, so we have Boolean type of data is also, so like to accommodate true false values. So these are but four primitive data types or fundamental data types which are existed in Java. Any queries up to this? Theory part any doubt up to this? Please confirm. Clear? Guys, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. So next one. So what is mean by ASCII? Anyone can you please tell me what is the full form of ASCII? So the language like C, C++, even Java also sometimes uses ASCII codes. What is the full form of ASCII?
Something like a standard code.
Full form. So American Standard
Interface code.
Code for Information
Interchange.
Interchange. So for every character present in the keyboard, we have a separate notation will be there. Some numerical values will be there. Okay, so that is nothing but like in you, if you take a school or college or something like that, for every person a unique number will be there, right? Numbers. So in keyboard for that we have a special code there. That code is called as ASCII code. It is always English alphabets. Okay, special characters, digits. Like, sir, I want to use the characters, Telugu alphabets, Tamil alphabets. In worldwide, how many alphabets are there? Everything I want to develop. Then For that we have Unicode is there. Unicode means what? Universal code. So we have two types of standards are there in Java. So based on the scenario we use, anyway, we are going to write always console based applications, right? Maximum we use only. I will show you how to work with Unicode characters also. Now, sir, one more question for you people. I have A is equal to 123 is there. So I have B is equal to a big number is there. Can you please confirm both are integers? Am I right, sir?
No, second would be
Both A and B are integers.
so second would be big integer.
Yeah, of course, is also right.
Yeah.
So because you can see minus infinity to plus infinity, everything will comes under what? Integer only. What is the answer question? Now second question. So which variable? Variable is ERB. Which variable? ERB. Okay. So take some more space. Tell me which is going to take more space among these ERB.
B.
B. Why? Because a big data is there, right? So it is very difficult to hold. So more memory, more space. So which variable? A or B takes less time for accessing. Immediately it is going to respond. Which variable A or B?
A.
Clear? Why? Because content is
block
right.
white space.
Yes. So which variable takes more time to access? B. Correct? So in these four questions, you can see we are differentiating these two, but both are integers. So that's why what job people said is, so they have divided. Array, what kind of using? Based on the scenario, these integers are again divided into four types. Like we have it, we have short, we have int, we have long. These are there four types. Mainly these real values also divided into how many types? One is the float, another one is double. So the next one is but characters. How many types are there? Only one type, CHR. And what is the next one? We have Boolean. So there is no division called Boolean. So integers are divided into how many types? Four types. Real values are divided how many types? Two types. Characters are divided into how many types? Only one type, because there is no division. Limited characters only are there. And Boolean also only true or false. That's why there is no division. So at the bottom level, total how many types are there? At the top level, so we have four data types. Okay, at ground level, bottom level, at the bottom level, so we have 8 data types are there. So you need to remember these like anything. Okay, total data types are there. 4 integers, 2 floating point values, and 1 boolean. And for the 8 primitives, 8 wrapper classes are there. So what is mean by wrapper classes? Just now I told. This is primitive, this is object form, right? This one is called as wrapper class. Okay, total primitives are there. 8 primitives. In Java, except the 8 primitives, everything is an object. Why don't we convert these 8 primitives into object form? In the point, the wrapper classes are there. Okay. Sir, are you clear up to the theory part, whatever I covered? Please confirm. Request everyone to please have a moment speak.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now we are going to see the properties of a data type. Okay. So properties of these are data types. What properties? So for every data type, we have a name. We have a name is there, and we have some keyword name is also there. Like what a keyword is there. Next, for everything I told, wrapper class will be there. Next, how much size it is going to occupy memory, how much size it is going to occupy. So what is the range? Like what is the minimum value, maximum value, and what is the default value? Like for every data type, we are going to discuss these properties. Okay. So now let me take the first one. What is the first one? Byte data type. For this byte data type, I want to talk about, so these are properties. Okay. So let me take. So what is the data type name for this? It is nothing but integers. What is the keyword name? Byte, byte, byte. Sir, B is always a small letter. What is the wrapper class name? Byte only. Listen carefully. So I have byte B. Okay. So I have byte like this. What is the difference between these? It is a primitive. What about this one? It is an object. Have you observed? Case is very important. So if you're taking like this, if things are it is object. If you're taking like this, it is primitive. We have. So everyone, what the difference? Please confirm.
Why are we converting primitive into wrapper class?
I told right, so we can transfer the objects like that. See, I'm taking now class in my in my chair, and I'm wearing short t-shirt. So same thing, not in corporate training or in the classroom physically, right, ma'am?
Yes.
So you can consider the thing which I am taking like now is a primitive. Up to certain level, it is okay. But once if you want to go on society, there should be some particular format, clear shirt, pant, in shirt, and you need to take class in white man like that. Right?
Yeah, the chocolate example you gave.
Yes,
It's been
same, same. It means what? In transfer across the network, world need the data in the form of object only.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, right, ma'am. So what about size? We know in the computer memory, we will always measure the size in terms of bits. Bits means what? Binary digit. Okay. Like a group of bits is called as byte. A group of bytes is called as KB. So group KBC is called as M like that. But byte, how much size it is going to occupy? It will occupy 1 byte. 1 byte means how many bits? So 8 will be there. What is the range? Now I will show you how to calculate the range. Minus 128 to so plus 127. So what is the default value? 0. So this is nothing but properties what we have to type in the integer classification is nothing but what a byte. What is the var class name? Byte. How much size it is going to occupy? 1 byte. This one 8 bits. What's the range? Minus 128 plus 27. So what is the default value? 0. I hope if you are clear with all these concepts, how this range is calculated. So in a physical mathematical formula, I will explain. Please, everyone.
It's okay.
Please, everyone, please confirm. Everyone.
It's just the difference between the small one and the big one. Please tell
No
me, sir.
problem, ma'am. Just ignore. That's all. Slowly we will do it.
Okay.
Okay. Still, if you are getting confusion, one small code I am writing. Listen. Byte b is equal to 111. It is a number, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now consider I have a container, like I have a list. List dot add of b means immediately we will get here. So same thing, byte b is equal to new byte of 1. If you take like this, and if you take list add of b means, so it will add. No error. So why? What is the reason? This one is object. This one is a primitive. But
Okay.
remember like this, remaining things anyway we'll see. Yes, session we have so much of context there. We will talk about that. You will get more clarity in the collections. I'll explain that. Okay. So here